In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the April gold contract, which shot up to 6-month highs today. Gold hit its highest level since September of 2020. 1973 was the high, 1973.70, just short of 2% higher on the day, up 1.95%. We finished the day up about 1.84% above 1971. On the downside, only down 0.25%. 1931.50 was the low settlement yesterday, 1935.90. So not much of a move to the downside, pretty much a straight up day. Gold is now up over 4.5% on the week. That's the strongest weekly gain we've seen for the precious metal since July 27th of 2020. It's also up 4 of the last 5 weeks. And in that stretch, gold is over 10% higher. It's taken on its traditional role, its historical role of the safety trade again. With the conflict going on in Russia and the Ukraine, it seems as if gold is almost solely taken on that role. You're seeing a little bit in treasuries, but with Bitcoin falling, it's likely that money is actually going from other assets to gold, and almost gold exclusively. Bitcoin finished up 0.75% on the week, but over the last 3 sessions lost about 13% from its weekly highs. Prior to that, we were seeing gold and Bitcoin go up simultaneously. Over the last 3 days, it looks like gold took over its historical position as the safety trade, given the conflict in Russia and the Ukraine, or the conflict, I should say, between Russia and the Ukraine. U.S. yields also, traditionally when yields fall, gold goes higher. Also, we're in a seasonal weak period for gold, so to see it go up like this tells you how much you can trust seasonals as a strategy. Seasonally, gold is weak, and with yields going lower, also being flight to safety as people buy into treasuries, but historically, lower yields is good for gold, and we saw the 2-year down 6 basis points this week, the 5-year down 23, the 10-year down 25, and the 30-year down 14. So yields in the U.S. falling, that could also be a tailwind for the precious metals.